Hi, Ladybro. No matter how good makeup looks, it doesn't look good without lipstick. Bad lipstick is a disaster scene. Applying lipstick all over the lips is both old and age-like. During the key autumn and winter seasons, the mouth is dry and peeling all day. Card pattern, modeled. Sisters, how to apply lipstick to reduce age and moisturize all day long. Before applying lipstick, cover the original lip color with an air cushion. This is the best looking lipstick color. Take our lipstick and apply it on the inside of our lips. Then dab on the upper lip. Use your fingers to apply to the edges of your lips. This step is to allow us to correct a lip color so that our entire lip shape is boundless. Next is the same color. Deep coat the inner one half of our mouth. Then dab on your upper and lower lips. This deep inside and outside light bite lip makeup. Let's shape our whole mouth. And the lip makeup is not so hard. Lip makeup is the most important step in reducing age and versatility. This is the transparent lip gloss. Layer directly on top of our matte lipstick. Wow! Instantly the whole mouth is moisturized and elastic. 3D three-dimensional sexy lips. And it keeps our whole mouth so moisturized all day long. It can be applied alone or in layers. Apply it alone to plump and moisturize your lips. Layer on top of our matte lipstick. Let our lipstick layer up this watery lip. The feel of jelly lips throughout the fall and winter seasons. Never worry about dry, patchy mouth again. Sisters, try it now. If you're interested in what's in the video, they're all here. Dressing up without lipstick doesn't look good, but when you put on a light makeup, pair it with this full-on lipstick. It's just like the scene of a disaster, showing both old age and a sense of age. The key is to apply lipstick on lip lines and lips. In autumn, it is easy to pull out and peel off the skin, which makes our entire lip makeup very modeled. You play how to apply lipstick cleanly to reduce age, and it is versatile and good looking. Today, I will teach you how to have glass lips. Be sure to take the air cushion valve before applying lipstick. Cover up our original lip color. This is the best lipstick color. This one is gentle and shy. We adapted the previous application method and then only applied the inner side of the mouth and sipped it up and down. Then the fingertips are dizzy to the edge, so I need this kind of lip makeup with a lip makeup cloth that is stylish but boundless. It is the leaven color of our lips. Next, let's stack our same shade on the inside one half of our mouth. Squeeze your upper lip and apply lip makeup on the inside and outside. The most crucial step is this all-match glass lip gloss, just layered on top of our matte glossy lipstick. Wow! Instant interpretation of lip lines. The whole lip makeup 3D cute to play the feeling of crystal lip jelly lips, and then the upper lip is a little more on our lip peak, and only our lip peak is applied. It's so pretty. Age-reducing cute elastic lip jade feels full of atmosphere. As a lip gloss, it is colorless and transparent, and it can be applied on top of our matte lipstick. Thousands of matte lipsticks can create the feeling of this crystal lip jelly lip, so that our mouths are moisturized all day long, translucent and shiny. Sisters, try it now. Hey Ladybro, when we newbies apply eyeshadow, we must not apply a heavy color to the eye socket and then apply a small amount of glitter to the eyelid. This method of application is wrong. First of all, before we apply eyeshadow, we must use a setting powder to press one side above our eyelids, so as to ensure that there is no oil above my eyelids. Our eyeshadow will be more durable and firm and will not smudge makeup. This is the color that I must choose when I paint eyeshadows. Don't buy so many tools, because they won't be used when you get them back, so the tools are all wasted. This is the double-ended brush. We dipped in our matte shades. Don't rub it back and forth. That's it. Just take a picture above our eyelids. Shoot from the back to the front and slowly shoot forward. Where is the top of our eyelids? When we reach the position of our eye socket, we need the eye socket where we can press it. You can try this method. It is really more even than you apply it back and forth, and then it will not cause your eyeshadow. The slag falls on your face, and then this little brush get our matte powder below our eyelid, and then deepen our lower limb of the eyelid. Open its deepening position at the end of our back eye to this position just below our eyeball. After painting a matte color, our entire eye makeup is plain. The key to it is this little glitter, which is very beautiful. The finishing touch is to use it to hook. You want to make a small and fine glitter directly, just adorn the top of our eyelids. Wow, it's so beautiful. Is the whole soul full? And then we apply it on a single eyelid. Is it very pure and lovely? This one can also be used to outline the mole under our eyelid. Wow. Single eyelid is easy to control. Double eyelid sisters can also stick another double eyelid and then draw a waterproof and quick drying eyeliner and then stick a natural eye hair. Such a single eyelid. A big silk eye makeup that looks good even after the double eyelid is painted is done. Sisters, try it now.